Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the structure of memory in Google Gemini. So this particular feature allows the AI on Google search to remember key details and preferences from past conversations. This makes future interactions more relevant and personalized, and Gemini uses this long-term profile to understand interests and habits. So this is instead of treating each chat as a new start, Gemini will remember where you left and what you did so that it does not lose its context. So in order to enable memory, what you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. First, go to the settings and help option, and then from here go to personal context. Once you will go here, you can see this memory option which says Gemini learns from your past chats to understand more about you. Coming soon to life. Simply make sure that you have enabled this particular toggle right here, and Gemini will then learn from your past chats and you can ask in one chat about the another chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.